If you create video content, either for yourself or a client, then you need HeyGen, period. Now, let me be clear. HeyGen used to function like a corporate video generator. It was good for cranking out little adverts and reels and TikToks, but that was about it. Back then, AI avatars looked rough. The blinking was off, the movements were robotic. Most people could spot an AI video, a HeyGen avatar video from a mile away. And it's not a knock against HeyGen or anybody else. That's just where the technology was at that time. However, HeyGen's avatars today are night and day for the better. They are shockingly realistic. In fact, I've made multiple HeyGen avatar videos recently and showed them to my friends, and they couldn't even tell that the characters were AI. That's how good it's gotten. HeyGen has completely broken away from the pack. It's not just another AI video tool, it is the premier AI video generation platform. It has everything you need in one place. And if I was only going to use one AI video tool for 2026, I wouldn't even have a second thought about it. It would be HeyGen. And by the way, if you want to check out any of the tools that I use in this video, I'll leave the links down in the description. And if you click those links and check them out and you like it and you end up buying something, I'll get a little commission for sending you over. So if this video helps you out, that's a little way you can help me out. With that said, let's log into HeyGen and I'll show you how it has become the gold standard of AI video generation. All right, so we're here inside the HeyGen dashboard, and the easiest way to get started is to come over here to the left side and just click Avatars. If you click the plus sign next to Avatars, it will allow you to create your own avatar. Here, you can make a clone of yourself or bring a 3D character to life. You could start from a video or start from a photo. The photos are pretty good, but obviously starting from a video is going to give you the most realistic avatar. This is especially important if you're planning to make a clone of yourself, but you can also get a really good avatar just from a photo, and it works really well with 3D animated characters. Now, once you choose the kind of avatar that you want to create, obviously you just click it.
Want to create an instant or lifestyle?
HeyGen has a really helpful tutorial style video to guide you through the process. When you're done watching that, just click Get Started, and then you just follow the instructions. HeyGen pretty much holds your hand and guides you through the entire process to make it painless and easy as possible, and so that you get a good quality clone or avatar every time. Pretty easy stuff, even for beginners. But perhaps you don't want to create an avatar just yet. Maybe you want to find a decent stock avatar that you can use once or over and over again to become the face of your brand. In that case, just click avatars and then click public avatars. And if you have any descriptive terms, it can help you narrow down or filter out these avatars to find one that's right for you. So, for example, I could search for black man, and now I have a bunch of relevant avatars to choose from. HeyGen also comes with a bunch of preset filters for you, like professional, lifestyle, UGC, community, and you can save your favorites. You could come over here and you could toggle more filters like woman or man, young adult, middle aged, elderly, white, Asian, South Asian, Latino, Middle Eastern, Black. So it's very quick and easy to find an avatar that matches the vibe you're looking for. You'll also notice that each avatar has a name. For example, there's Francis, Brandon, etc., etc. And underneath the name, each avatar comes with a given number of looks. You can click looks and it'll show you all the different clothing options, and poses that that given avatar has. So here with Francis, we see he's got 10 looks. He's got a doctor's outfit. He's got a like a purple golf shirt on. He's got a blue blazer. Now, once you have an avatar you like, all you have to do is click on that avatar and it will automatically open up AI Studio. Now, I like Francis because he uses the expressive model, which simply means that his body language and facial expressions always reflect the emotion behind the words that you use in your script. So I'll click on him, and now we are in AI Studio. And I'll show you how fast and easy it is to get started. Now, once you're in AI Studio, the first thing I always do is give my video a title. A lot of times when I open up AI Studio, it'll be set to 9 by 16, which is a vertical format for shorts, reels, and TikToks. But as a YouTube creator, I'm always doing long form YouTube videos. So the 16 by 9 ratio is perfect for me. Next, you'll notice that if I click on my avatar, I have the option to change his looks in here. So again, I can choose any one of these poses or clothing options, and I can replace right here in the AI Studio. And you'll notice that there is no background. It's just a white canvas. So you have a couple options here. When you generate your video, you'll be able to choose to remove the background. And that's ideal if you're going to be uploading it to Canva or Adobe and you're going to be doing some further editing, and then you could change the background there. Another option is that you may have your own photos or videos that you want to use as the background. For example, if you owned a restaurant, you could use you could upload a picture or a video of your restaurant and then have your AI character standing in front of it speaking. In that case, you would just click on media, you would upload from your device and set it as the background. Another option is we can click background here and you could choose a stock image or video for your background. I'll go with this one and I'll just type in fireplace, see what kind of results we get. That's a little too close. I like this one for Merry Christmas because it's kind of Christmassy, right? So I'll click on that, and now that's our background. Now you'll notice that our character is proportionately too small. So all we're going to do is just drag the handles up to make him bigger. We'll bring this down over here. Find a spot. We can put him in the center, maybe to the right. We can put him over here. I kind of like it right here. Bring him up right to the top. I think that looks good. And you can play around with this editor. You can add text, you can add media. It could be a logo. Maybe you want your logo up here. You could add different elements, graphics, captions. And so that's kind of a big thing right now. A lot of people like to add captions to their video. So you just click on that and then find a style that you like. And now your video has captions. Now, here's where it gets fun. It's time to make the voiceover. So we come over here to the left side underneath the title of our video, and you have a few options. You can paste in your script if you have an existing script already, or you could type up a script right here in this box on the fly. But I do things a little bit differently here, and you'll see why in a moment. Now I'm going to open up 11 Labs, and I'm going to set my voice to Francis. You'll notice that I've already created a voice that I think perfectly matches the way our HeyGen avatar looks. So I'll select his voice and I'll paste in my little tiny script. I'm going to make sure that it's set to 11v3 alpha. And why I do that is because I can add brackets and then give the voiceover expressive cues. So, for example, I could say chuckles softly, and then I could come over here, add my brackets, and then say something like snorts. I don't know, just to be silly. And then all you have to do is click generate speech.
Hi, I want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. My thoughts are with you always. Here's to another year of health and prosperity. Take care.
Sounds good. If you like it, just click download. Then we'll come back over here to HeyGen and we'll click on this little microphone icon. We'll hit upload audio, and I've already uploaded it from my device. So you just add that, click add audio, and it will transcribe it automatically. And then when you're ready, actually, you know what? I think I like him over here. And once you're ready, just click generate, make sure all the settings are proper, and then click submit. All right, so our video is done. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Hi, I want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. My thoughts are with you always. Here's to another year of health and prosperity. Take care.
Of course, most people would never use a stock avatar to send a personal Christmas greeting. I get it. But I'm just showing you how the tool works. Use your imagination to think of all the different ways that you could use this tool in different applications of your work and personal life. And by the way, I don't have to use a stock avatar. I can use my personal AI clone following that exact same process. And since I already have my voice cloned in 11 Labs, I used 11 Labs to clone my voice. All I have to do is type some text, choose my voice clone, and click generate. And my voice reads the script. That's how I get flawless studio level voiceovers in my voice without ever having to touch a microphone. You can try 11 Labs for free by using my link in the description section. I could make that same exact video following that same exact process using my face and my real voice to add a personal touch for my friends and colleagues and relatives who I'm going to send that greeting to. And that's just a glimpse of what HeyGen can do. It's professional video production without the cameras, microphones, lights, and crew. Click the link in the description to try HeyGen for free and see why HeyGen is the #1 AI video tool for 2026.